This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
It comes in this really nice box. I love that it comes in a protective case. If we take a look here, these are your alligator clamps. Red is going to be positive, black's going to be negative. There's your charging cable. We can see the teeth are made of copper. Now you don't have much cable length, so you're going to have to keep this pretty close to your actual battery when you're jump starting it. So this is the unit itself. Press and hold to turn it on. You can see your level. You only need to use boost if your battery's completely dead. So if you still have some power in your car, so if you turn the key on and you still got lights lighting up and power, you probably don't need to use boost. Plug in your jump cable right through there. You can also charge other devices with the USB port. Nice little light. Press and hold to turn it off. Alright guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.